Ever pondered about the intricate mechanism that allows you to sense the world around you? The answer lies within the marvel that is the human nervous system, an intricate network that dictates how we perceive and respond to our environment. Starting from the top, the nervous system can be categorized into two primary parts: the central nervous system, comprising the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which is essentially all the nerves that connect the central nervous system to the rest of the body. The foundation of this intricate system is built upon neurons, the basic units of the nervous system. Picture a neuron as a complex messenger. It possesses a cell body, or soma, dendrites, and an axon. Dendrites are like the antenna of the neuron, receiving signals from other neurons or sensory receptors, while the axon is the messenger, transmitting signals away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Communication within and between neurons is a fascinating process, involving both electrical and chemical signals. When a neuron receives a signal, it generates an electrical impulse known as an action potential. This action potential travels down the axon to the axon terminals, where neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers, are released into the synapse, the tiny gap between neurons. Now imagine if these electrical impulses could move even faster. That's where the myelin sheath comes in. This fatty substance surrounds and insulates the axon, effectively speeding up the transmission of electrical impulses. And those gaps in the myelin sheath, known as nodes of Ranvier, are where these action potentials are regenerated, ensuring the message doesn't lose its strength. The axon and dendrites work in tandem, with the axon carrying nerve impulses away from the cell body and the dendrites receiving signals and transmitting them towards the cell body. Finally, the brain, the command center, is divided into several regions, each with its own specific functions. The cerebral cortex, for instance, is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as thinking, memory, and language. The cerebellum coordinates voluntary movements and maintains balance and posture. The brainstem takes care of basic bodily functions like breathing, heart rate, and sleep-wake cycles. The hypothalamus regulates body temperature, hunger, thirst, and the release of hormones, while the limbic system is all about emotions, motivation, and memory. In summary, the nervous system, with its complex structure and function of neurons, is the key to how our bodies perceive and respond to the world around us. It's a fascinating, intricate system that never ceases to amaze.